Today, let's learn how to see liked posts on Facebook. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you can see all of your liked posts here on Facebook. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you guys can see that I'm currently on the Facebook homepage, and at the bottom of the Facebook app, there should be a few options, about 6 preferably. And at the bottom right hand corner, there should be a option that says menu. Now just go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to want to make your way down until you see the settings and privacy. Go ahead and click it, and there should be 4 more options that should pop up here. Just go ahead and click on settings. Now from here, go ahead and make your way down to your time on Facebook, and there's going to be a few options here that are going to go ahead and show you how much time you spent on Facebook. Just go ahead and press see your time, and from here you're going to want to head over to activity log. It should be the very last option. Go ahead and click on it. Now right here you should be able to see that you can actually go down to the interactions option here, and there's just a bunch of options here, right? So click the interactions option, and here you could see all of the likes and reactions you've actually had on posts. Just go ahead and click on that, and right here you should be able to see all of the liked and reacted posts that you may have reacted or liked right on Facebook. So essentially that's how you go ahead and see the liked posts on Facebook. It is super simple to do, guys, but with that being said, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.